my name is Jami Jo, and I'm with Jami Jo Sells Wax. We are a fragrance company selling Scentsy products. And today we are going to talk about the best Scentsy scents for your laundry room or any room that you like a fresh, clean fragrance. But before we get on to that, let me introduce myself, tell you a little bit about me. Like I said, my name is Jami Jo, and I have been with Scentsy Fragrance since all the way back in 2008. I found Scentsy as a customer, first of all. I was using it in my public school classroom, and I fell in love with the products for both my family and in my classroom because of three main reasons. The first is these fragrance products are completely safe to have around tons of kids, which I did in my classroom, safe to have around pets, which I had at home, and safe around my own children as well. Also, these products I found worked amazing. They were the best product that I had tried, especially in a stinky elementary school classroom. But the third thing, and possibly the most important at the time because I was living on a public school teacher salary, was they were affordable. So for these three reasons, they were safe, they worked, and they were affordable, I fell in love with the product. I decided to become a consultant myself. I have been selling Scentsy products for over 14 years now, but better than that, I have been helping other people start their own Scentsy business and build a life of freedom that they never thought was possible. Build a life by their design. I was lucky enough to do that myself, and I've been happy to help them to do the same. But you're not here to listen about all of that today. You came to watch this video because you want to know what are the best Scentsy scents for your laundry room. Now, if you're interested in this, I want you to know that I will be covering the best Scentsy scents for several rooms in your house. So if you're interested in that, please like this video, subscribe to my channel so you will always know when a new video is uploaded. So I have chosen 6 for this category of the best Scentsy scents for your laundry room or any room that you love fresh fragrances. I always choose fragrances in packs of 6 because this is the best way to buy Scentsy wax and really any of our smaller consumable products because they are all buy 5, get 1 free. So anytime you are planning to do an order, always look at purchasing in 6s because you're gonna get the best deal that way. So guys, let's jump right in to my 6-pack pick of the best Scentsy scents for your laundry room. And then I just say any room that you like a fresh smell because maybe fresh scents are just your jam and you could put these in any room in your house. So I am going to start with Clean Breeze. Now guys, I will tell you that Clean Breeze is one of the fragrances that I purchased when I purchased my very first Scentsy warmer. So it has a sweet place in my heart. I absolutely love the scent Clean Breeze, and I think you will too. Now let me tell you, Clean Breeze is a very, very strong fragrance. If you like to really notice the fragrance in your space, Clean Breeze should be on your list. Now, another thing I want to let you know, anytime I'm doing a sniff session, I'm always going to flip that bar upside down and pop it out and smell the bottom of it. Let me tell you why. We use paraffin-based wax in Scentsy, and there are a couple reasons that we do that. The first reason is because paraffin wax is the safest. I told you it was safe at the first of this video, and there are things that happen. Kids that accidentally ingest wax, pets that get into it. So you always want to make sure that whatever fragrance products you're using, they are completely safe for everyone that is in your household or in this space. So paraffin wax totally is. The other reason that we use paraffin wax is because paraffin wax is the wax that can hold the largest amount of fragrance oil. So we load our bars full of fragrance oil. That means that our fragrance is going to be stronger and last longer than any others on the market. So that's why you should try Scentsy products if you never have before. They are superior to the other wax products on the market. So I am going to turn it upside down. Oh, why do I smell it upside down? paraffin wax, lots of oil. I said that. But oil is heavier than the wax. So at the warehouse, we store our bars like this. So all of that fragrance oil is gonna go down to the very bottom of the bar. So what you wanna do is turn it over, pop it out. That's how you can get the best fragrance experience. Oftentimes I hear from customers, I liked the smell of it when I just opened the container and smelled it, but it was completely different when I warmed it. And this is why the heavier oils, the heavier fragrances are going to settle on the bottom. All right, guys, now let's get to smelling Clean Breeze. Now I'm gonna give you my interpretation of it, and then I'll read you the catalog description of what Scentsy says about it. Now, Clean Breeze to me is just the quintessential laundry fragrance. When I do laundry, this is what I want my clothes to smell like. It's like that dryer sheet, fresh out of the dryer. Reminds me of like a clothesline on a warm summer day. I already told you it's a pretty strong fragrance, so you definitely are going to notice it, but just fresh, clean, those are the best words to describe Clean Breeze, fresh and clean. The catalog says it is white florals with a touch of spring. This is the scent of fresh, clean laundry. Now, I will tell you, it says it's a floral fragrance, but I don't tend to enjoy floral fragrances, and this is one of my top 10 of all-time Scentsy fragrances. So don't let the word floral scare you away if you're not a lover of florals. This is just in your face, clean laundry. That's what Clean Breeze is. Now, next we're going to another specific laundry fragrance. This one is called Clothesline. So let me give you my take on that. This is definitely lighter than Clean Breeze, but it's still that dryer sheet. I can smell more of the cotton fragrance in the Clothesline than I did with Clean Breeze, but it's still that light, fresh, crisp laundry fresh out of the dryer. So the catalog says it is crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, and a white wicker basket will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry. I didn't know that a white wicker basket had a fragrance. You know, guys, reading these scent descriptions, it's kind of like reading the names of nail polishes or lipsticks. They're just kind of a funny, arbitrary, whatever grouping of words. I mean, they do tell you what's in them, but it's really just kind of funny. Clothesline, yummy, yummy, fresh, clean. Guys, fresh and clean is one of my loves. I tend to enjoy the more earthy and manly fragrances and the fresh and clean fragrances. So next we're gonna do Daydream Oasis. Now I will tell you, I grabbed this one as my 6-pack pick, but I have never warmed Daydream Oasis. It's a new one to me, which is funny. I mean, we have 80 to 100 different fragrances at a time, so I can't remember all of them. I can't warm them all. But as I was going through my wall of fragrances, this one, it just grabbed me, and I was like, I need to tell people about this because it's so good. I smell, I'm gonna guess some sort of greenery, if it's aloe or a palm leaf, something like that. It's earthy, but it's still fresh and clean. It doesn't take on that manly version of earthy. So Daydream Oasis, they tell us it is lose yourself in sweet melon and visions of luminous pear leaf and water lily. So there is that pear leaf. Maybe that water lily is what I was grabbing onto. But now that I read that it has melon, I definitely do smell the melon in it. It didn't catch me right at first, but it's definitely there. All right, guys, next we are going to do Make a Splash. Make a Splash. All right, guys, I am going to guess there's some coconut maybe in this. Maybe not coconut, pineapple. It's something along the fruity line, but it's still in that earthy and fresh and clean. Let's see what it says. Melon, it's the melon that's getting me. Dewy melon and fresh green apple dive into refreshing turquoise waters. That's definitely in my 6-pack for fresh scents. All right, guys, whipped lavender vanilla. I will tell you, this came out in our Mother's Day line last year. I fell in love with this fragrance so much that I knew they were going to discontinue it. I added it to my Scentsy club so I could always get this fragrance, and I was so excited to see that it made it into the spring catalog. If you love lavender, you need this fragrance. We have had a French lavender in the past, and if I'm honest with you, I was really kind of bummed out and disappointed by it, and I'm so excited that they replaced it with this, because the French lavender, to me, it was just too many different florals. I am a lover of lavender, but I don't enjoy a lot of other floral scents. This is lavender and vanilla heaven right here. So they say it's sweet coconut milk and whipped vanilla soothed by English lavender. And this is heaven to me. Whipped vanilla lavender. If you are a lavender fan, this is a must have for you. The last one in my 6-pack pick of best Scentsy scents for the laundry room is Magnolia Linen. Now the name is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm gonna smell it anyway. Guys, it does have that floral at first, but then it soothes it out with the cotton and linen and leaves it with that fresh, lingering fragrance. So you have that spring floral right in your face at first, but what sits with you is that fresh, clean linen. Sun-washed linen dances in the breeze amid a garden of magnolia and honeysuckle. Okay, I can smell the honeysuckle once I read that. A little touch of sweetness there at the end. I enjoy it. Like I said, I'm not normally a floral person, but I picked 3 fragrances here that have floral in it. Maybe I am a floral person, I'm just in denial, but these are my 6-pack pick for the best Scentsy scents for your laundry room. As I told you, a 6-pack is the best way to get Scentsy fragrance. When you buy 5, you get 1 free. Also, if you're interested in doing a Scentsy club order, anytime that you order at least $30 worth, you get 10% off of everything that you buy above and beyond that $30. So actually, even that $30 is 10% off. Maybe that was really confusing. Just make sure your Scentsy club is at least $30 so you get 10% off. That's all I'm saying. This would be my pick if you like fresh, clean laundry fragrances. If you want this or anything else Scentsy, you can text me at 918-888-9690 or jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com. You can get these fragrances. Make sure you're doing that combine and save deal. You can customize any package deal that you want. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so you can see all my other 6-pack picks for different rooms in your house. I think that's it for today. My name is Jami Jo, and I'm here to make your nose happy and your laundry room smell great.